Huh?
Come closer, little lab rats. Come close. I won't hurt you. Yet. I sense fear in your hearts. You're right. Don't be afraid. Darkness lies ahead. Now is the time to abandon hope.
I am Igor. My job is to get you through this experiment in one piece. But Igor, I hear you say, where's the fun in that? I agree, you delightful freak. Sadly, this is not that kind of experiment. Look closely. This is a catacombs navigation unit. All you little lab rats and your little lab rat friends get to ride one. Use it, Igor steers, nothing goes wrong. Yes? Uh-oh. Don't look at that. This is just the emergency feature function. All according to plan.
Igor, you're bothering our guests. Send them in. I'm ready for them.
Yes, doctor. The doctor will see you now. This is fun, yes?
Friends, welcome. Please come in. Is that everyone? More. Excellent. I am Dr. Victoria Frankenstein. Today, you chosen few will witness my greatest discovery yet. Together, we will finish what my great-grandfather started. They called Henry a monster. They were afraid of what he had done. But you will see. There's nothing to fear. Show them.
What's that?
Lower the lights, quickly. Now. These people are friends. See? There's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing. Better than the original. He is the key to our most exciting experiment. For years, I have studied and controlled the monsters that prowl the darkness. And only one remains. I will control my ultimate challenge. Count Dracula. Calm yourself! That wasn't us.
Silence, creature. I will destroy you and
These two just don't get along. The Dracula experiment is the last piece of the puzzle. And with your help, the world will never see the name Frankenstein the same again. Open the doors! Our greatest victory is just through there.
I haven't uncovered all the secrets my great-great-grandfather left down here. Igor, take control of their machine.
Igor got it. Don't worry. Oh, you're gonna love this.
Brace yourselves and witness my masterpiece, Dracula, under my control. Now, activate the machine. Wait, something's wrong. Igor, Dracula must not escape.
I will set the nightmares free.
What is it? I'm not gonna like this. They're out! They're all out! Even the really ugly one!
Don't let anything touch you.
Who's the true monster? The one in chains, or the one who put up there?
Don't listen to him! There's another way out.
Get back! Igor, we need daylight.